Good morning, my dear students and my dear friends. My name is Abhishek Das, and you are watching Vision Academy classes. I am the faculty of Vision Academy, where I basically teach English, social, as well as Hindi. So, little bit introduction about the Vision Academy. Vision Academy have qualified teachers and as well as very talented students also. So, in Vision Academy, there we have both school and colleges also. So college admission is going on for HS first year. We have three streams: science, arts and commerce. So don't be late, just get admission in Vision Academy. From 17 May onwards start admission is going on. The address as well as the phone numbers I will provide in the description of the link. So come and take admission. So today I will basically start from class 7, where I will teach political. In the previous class, means in the offline class, where I have taught chapter 4, half chapter I have already taught, but today onwards the half chapter which has been left I will taught from that chapter only. So page number 49, lives of domestic worker. Domestic worker, as we have to know that domestic worker is means a person who is paid to help with cleaning and home task. Okay, a person, those who are working in the house of the rich people, basically they are working for little bit money only. So that people, those who are working, is called domestic worker. So let us study what are the lives of domestic worker. In the story about Hermit, mother was not the only one who did the housework. A lot of work was done by Mangala, their domestic helper. Many homes, particularly in towns and cities. So as you see that there are a lot of pictures are there. As you see that there are a lot of pictures are there. So it is a story about the Hermit and Mangala. Okay. So Hermit mother was not the only one who did the housework. The Hermit mother means it is a guy who has mother. Not only she just do housework in their home, but differently work also do. Along with that, a lot of work was done by Mangla. Mangla is a person who work in their home. Many homes, particularly in town and cities, employ domestic workers. They do a lot of work: sweeping and cleaning, washing clothes and dishing, cooking, looking after young children or the elderly. So as you know that big cities, those who are staying there, those who live there, they basically hire domestic worker because they don't have time. They are busy in life. They have to work. So basically what they do, they hire domestic worker for what? For cleaning, washing clothes, dishes, and sometimes they look after children also. In the big city, most domestic workers are women. Sometimes even young boys or girls are employed to do this work. But basically domestic workers are mainly women. Okay, but sometimes boys and girls are also work there. Even young boys and girls are employed to do this. Wages are low. Wages are low means what? A fixed regular payment provided by the owner. Now I will translate in Assamese also. Wages মানে কি হয়? কিবা এটা পয়সা, অলপ পয়সা দিয়ে যোনকেইটা মানুহে কাম কৰে ধনী মানুহৰ ঘৰত. Okay, so that kind of wages they provide to the domestic worker. A domestic worker day can begin as early as 5 in the morning and end as late at 12 at night. So domestic worker কি করে? They usually begin their work in 5 am they come in the house, and when they left at 12. They already leave the house at 12 at night. Okay, so how much hours they work? Okay, despite the hard work they do, their employees often do not show them much respect, though they are very hard working. As you know, the domestic workers are very much hard working, but the owner doesn't show any respect to them. It's it means a labor time they are showing disrespect. But if we think from our heart, domestic workers are mainly very hard working persons, so we should respect them. Okay. This is what Malini, a domestic worker, had to say about her experience in working in Delhi. Malini is a person who works Delhi. So she has told some experience what she faces. My first job was with a rich family that live in a three-storied house. The Memsa was very strange as she would shout to get any work done. So Malini, who was working, okay, Malini, as you see that Malini was in Delhi. So her first job was with a rich family. I have taught that in the previous also, that domestic worker basically they do work in a rich family. So Malini was belong to very poor family. So what she do? She was belonged to a very she was working in a rich family in a three-storied house, means like a building. You can say that she work in a building. The very rich people where they stay, okay, like flat, all this kind of houses. The Mem Sahab was very strange and she was shout to get work any done. Mem Sahab means the owner. Mem Sahab means the owner of that house. She always shouted at her. She always shouted at her because she was not she from owner point of view, Malini was not doing her work properly. So what they do, she always called her. My work is in the kitchen. There was two other girls who did in the cleaning. One would day would begin at 5 or for breakfast. We would get a cup of tea and two dry rotis. So Malini work always started from the kitchen only. Apart from that, there were two other girls also in that house. Those who were working. For breakfast, we would get a cup of tea and two dry rotis. For breakfast, Malini get only a cup of tea and two and two dry roti, chapati. Roti, another name is chapati. Roti, as you know that roti we made in our home in the morning also, but sometimes we made in the night also. So you can never get a third roti. They never get a third roti. They should satisfy their hunger in that two rotis only. In the evening, when I cook the food, the two other girls would beg me to give them an extra roti. I would secretly give it to them and make an extra one for myself. So what did Malini? When she was not satisfying her hunger, she would secretly make roti so that the owner doesn't know whether she is making or not. Okay. We were so hungry after working through the day, we could not wear chappals in the house. So owner has made one rule that chappals were not allowed to wear in the house. What kind of rule is that? We should always respect the poor family. The family where they used to serve you, you should respect her. Our feet should swell up with the cold. Whenever they work, their feet means what I will say. Feet means what? Leg, under the leg. Okay, their feet were very cold because throughout the daily she work in the water only. So obviously it will feel very cold only. I used to feel scared of Memsa, but also I feel anger and humiliated. Sometimes Malini feel very scared, and sometimes very angry also, and humiliated. Humiliated meaning what? Feel ashamed or foolish. Okay, humiliated meaning is feel ashamed and foolish. So, did you not work all day? Did you not deserve to be treated with some respect? I am working in a house in a rich family, so definitely they should respect me. So Malini told here only that did you not work all day? Did you not deserve to be treated with some respect? Obviously, they deserve much more respect than anyone because they are very hard working. So this is the little bit story about lives of domestic worker. Another paragraph is there. So any doubts if you have, just you can discuss. Okay. Now the second paragraph. In fact, what is commonly termed as housework actually involve many different tasks. A number of the tasks require heavy physical work in both rural and urban. Women and girls to fetch water. In rural areas, women and girls carry heavy hard loads of firewood also. So basically, a housework is mainly done by women only, whether it is rural areas or urban areas. But rural people works very hard than urban people, or rural women work harder than urban women. So in rural areas, women as girls carry heavy loads of firewood. So sometimes if you visit in rural areas, you can see that big firewood. Firewood means what? The tree, cutting tree. They just put up there in the shoulder and just they come in their house. So it is very hard work for the woman to carry that. So for getting some money, they usually do this kind of hard work. Tasks like washing clothes, cleaning, sweeping and picking up loads require bending, lifting and carrying. Okay, women basically, what does women? Washing clothes, cleaning, sweeping means what? Jharu marna. If I say in Hindi, jharu marna, and in Assam is a jharu marejen ghorot eneke, sweeping. Okay, and picking up loads requiring bending, lifting and carrying. Many chores like cooking involve standing for long hours in front of a hot stove. So whenever a woman go in the kitchen to cook, they basically what they do, they spend 2 to 3 hours in the kitchen near the stove, so they feel very hot. So one thing I will say to you, that whenever you see your mother or sister working that kind of work, you just respect them. You just say that, mom, can you like to drink a glass of water? Like this you say, I request you. Okay. And women are one of the most hardworking person in the world. The work women do is 10 physically demanding work that we normally associate with them. The person or the men who are working in the offices or any kind of work, we cannot compare with the women, because women are very hardworking. Another aspect of housework and caregiving that we do not recognize is that it is very time consuming. In fact, if you add up housework and the work women do outside the home, you find that women spend much more time working than men have much less. Though I have been said previously that if you compare men and women is very much hardworking, because they not only do work in the house also, as well as in the outside also. Sometimes they bring vegetables from market. Okay, vegetables from the market also. So that kind of compare we should not do. Below is some data. So you have see page number 50. You can see that page number 50. Below some data has been given. Women paid work hours per week, women unpaid hours per week, women total, men paid work hours per men, unpaid men. So you can see that kind of table. So just study in your home. Okay, this table. So next is women's work and equality. So I will basically teach this in the next class, women work and equality.